Please don't scroll. What you're about to discover could change the way you see energy drinks forever. We all know they give us that quick boost to power through a late night or a long day. But have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your body when you drink just one can? The truth is both fascinating and shocking. The moment the liquid touches your tongue, your digestive system begins working immediately. The sugar is absorbed rapidly through your intestines, and within minutes, your blood sugar begins to surge. Your pancreas responds by releasing insulin, a hormone designed to pull sugar into your cells for energy. But it's not just sugar. The caffeine kicks in within 10 to 15 minutes. Caffeine blocks adenosine, the natural chemical that signals fatigue. So instead of winding down, your body is tricked into staying awake and alert. Your adrenal glands respond by releasing adrenaline, the fight-or-flight hormone. Your heart immediately feels the impact. Adrenaline makes it pump faster and harder. Your blood pressure rises as your blood vessels constrict, forcing your cardiovascular system to work like an engine suddenly revved into high gear. By the 20-minute mark, you may feel alert and energized. But what you can't feel is the invisible stress on your cardiovascular system. Your arteries are tightening, your heartbeat is more forceful, and your body is burning through energy faster than usual. Around 40 minutes in, your liver responds to caffeine by releasing stored sugar into your bloodstream. This adds to the spike already caused by the drink itself. Your pancreas struggles to keep up, releasing more insulin. It's like a roller coaster for your blood sugar, shooting up, then crashing down. Inside your heart, caffeine is altering calcium channels that control contractions. This makes your heart beat harder and sometimes irregularly. For some people, this is when palpitations begin. Those skipped beats or racing pulses that feel like your heart is out of rhythm. At the 1 hour mark, your kidneys are also affected. Energy drinks act as diuretics, which means you start losing water and essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. Without these, your heart's rhythm becomes unstable, increasing the risk of dangerous arrhythmias. And here's something most people don't know. Just one energy drink can stiffen your arteries within 90 minutes. Instead of expanding and contracting smoothly with each heartbeat, they become rigid. That stiffness forces your heart to push harder, increasing wear and tear over time. This is why experts warn that for people with underlying conditions, like high blood pressure, diabetes, or even mild heart rhythm issues, one can may be all it takes to trigger something serious. Finally, the crash sets in. As insulin clears the sugar from your blood, your energy levels plummet. You feel tired, sluggish, and often crave another can to feel normal again. But drinking more only repeats and intensifies the cycle, further straining your heart, liver, kidneys, and nervous system. So yes, one energy drink can give you hours of alertness, but inside, the stress on your heart begins immediately and can linger long after the buzz is gone. Over time, repeated use increases the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and even sudden cardiac events. Your heart beats over 100,000 times a day without fail. Protect it. Don't make it fight harder than it should. If this video opened your eyes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful health insights. And comment below. Have you ever felt your heart race after drinking an energy drink?